Right now at 6, if you are set to receive federal student loan forgiveness in Wisconsin, the Department of Revenue has a tip for you. Be prepared to pay more in state income taxes.
Yeah, Wisconsin is among a handful of states where the loan forgiveness will be treated as taxable income. Ben Jordan taking you now in depth with a tax expert on how much borrowers will be on the hook for come tax time.
A Milwaukee accountant says depending on how much money you'll have forgiven, you could end up paying hundreds to more than $1,000 in additional state taxes. It's something most Wisconsin federal student loan borrowers are not aware of, including Annika Perez-Krikorian. Did you know you're going to have to pay state income taxes on that 20 grand?
I did not know.
The same goes for Rachel Campbell.
No, I didn't. Why?
Dozens of other states either don't have a state income tax or they have already conformed with the provisions of the American Rescue Plan Act that removed federal income tax from this student debt relief. Tax accountant Jaquila Ross says Wisconsin is one of the 13 states where the forgiveness comes with a tax.
When the student loan is forgiven, you're going to receive a Form 1099-C, which is an indication of cancellation of debt.
If a Wisconsinite is getting their federal loan relieved, how much should they expect to pay in state taxes?
Yeah, so if you're getting back to $10,000, you can expect to pay at least $530. And that's just the minimal for sure. But it's going to essentially depend on your income. And then if you're forgiven for $20,000, you can expect essentially about a little bit over $1,000 minimal.
The Wisconsin Department of Revenue says the state's legislature would have to act to rescind that tax to have it align with the federal government. The department says it's asking the state legislature to adopt those changes because, quote, it's advantageous to be in harmony with the IRS. It's something Minnesota's governor has called for and its legislature is already considering. Since Republicans have majority control in the Wisconsin legislature, we went to State Representative Adam Nealon to see if it could happen.
I'm a Republican, but this might be the first tax break that I would oppose.
Representative Nealon says he and fellow Republicans oppose the student loan relief in the first place.
I think it's a conversation that will be had, but I think in this specific case, when you're talking about relieving debt for people that willingly took and participated in, I think that this is, almost a double benefit in some ways.
Borrowers we spoke with say paying roughly 5% in taxes on what they get forgiven is still much better than the full amount. Reporting in downtown Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
Well, the move to forgive millions in federal student loan debt is prompting a warning from the Federal Trade Commission. It says you can expect scammers to prey on those expecting relief. The FTC advising consumers to be vigilant and remember, you do not need to pay anyone or do anything extra to sign up for the new debt relief program or repayment extension. Only scammers will charge you in advance.